Hey guys, it's Jesse back with another video. Today guys, I'm going to be playing some more Subway Surfers. It's been a long time since I played this game, and yes, I am doing a face reveal. I mean, not a face reveal, you guys already seen a face reveal, but I am doing a face cam, and let me turn down the volume a bit. So as you guys can see, I got better at this game. My high score is 50,000, so it's actually pretty nice. It's a pretty nice score, really. And yeah. And so far, and by the way guys, I did get this game like the day where I first got the game, or when I made my first video of Subway Surfers. I basically, once I did that video, I deleted it. Like an hour later, I deleted it. And that's because, basically, I got bored of it. But then, I just felt like playing it again, really. So now I'm playing this game again. But since I deleted the game, I have to restart everything over again. So I unlocked, so in my previous data, like in the other file, I guess you could call it, basically I unlocked the robot. I had like 5 characters unlocked. I know. In 1 hour. In 1 hour. Okay. Actually, no. It was like. Actually, no. Actually, yeah. No, I actually had 3 characters unlocked. Never mind. Don't ask it again. No. Alright, let's go. But yeah, as you guys can see, I have gotten better at the game. But yeah, I lost my 3 characters. One of them, it was Jake. I think that's his name. Another one was a robot. And the other one, I can't remember the name. But yeah, I can't really remember the name of the 3 characters I unlocked. Oh yeah, and it was also Trixie. So I already unlocked Jake. Of course, you get him right away. But I already unlocked Trixie. I actually unlocked her today. But I need to get the robot back, which cost 20,000 coins, I believe. It's actually pretty much a lot. And we got an Easter egg. Even though it's no longer Easter, there's still Easter eggs in this game, so thanks to like the new update, basically. Alright, come on. And I actually never got a chance to go on top of that ice. I always wanted to go on top of the ice, but I never able to, you know, like the game just is like, nope, you're not gonna go there, buddy. You're not gonna go there today. You're not gonna go on top of the ice, bro. That's how the game is. No! Alright, and I got that. Alright, let's go again. This video will not be like a really long video. So yeah, it's not gonna really be like a really long video. And yeah. Alright, anyways. By the way, guys, if you guys are wondering how I got the face cam, basically it's an app. I might show you guys a video of how to do a face cam. And I might also show you how to make videos more longer than 15 minutes. I might also show you guys how to do that as well. So yeah. Anyways, let's keep on collecting these coins, cause remember, I'm trying to get as many coins as possible. And again, guys, I will not be, this video might not be longer than 15 minutes. So, I'm actually not going to say the word. Okay, I was going to say so yeah, but whatever, I'm just going to say it. I know that I say so yeah a lot of times in my videos. I really don't know why. Guys, for some reason, it's just in my YouTube videos when I say so yeah. Like literally in real life, I'm not like so yeah. I literally don't say that in real life. But for some reason, whenever I'm recording YouTube videos, for some reason I say so yeah. I really don't know why. No. Alright, I might just end the video right here, guys, but let's take a look at the top one. Actually, I'm not. Let's check. Is there any characters I could unlock? Let's check. Here. This is the robot that I had. That I used to have. Oh, and it actually cost 12,000 coins. Oh, I thought it was 20,000. No, this is what cost 20,000. Which I don't have. And I never had it. Oh. Also, guys, let me show you my skateboard. So, boards are here. So yeah, you guys can get this for free, actually. As you guys can see. You guys already know it if you guys have the game. And look at this, I just got a new... I just unlocked a new mission, or I completed a mission. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.